Hello, phased array aficionados. If you're anything like me, you've got a wide selection of probes, maybe haphazardly put down in these bags down here, maybe a couple Olympus cases over there. So lately, I've thought that's kind of not very well organized, so I've started to print my own. I use this trusty old Prusa Mark 3.5, and your printer's probably faster than mine. This is what it looks like when it's done. It's got the kind of Ripley skin effect I did on here. This one is green because it's for 5 meg probes, and 5 meg is green. It's got M4 socket head cap screws, my favorite, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6 in the back. They're all the same. If you want, you can do these little labels. I did that on a cheap laser engraver and use some M3s in there, or not, don't have to do that. And printed this in PLA, these in pet cheek. It's a little bit more flexible, and of course the probe goes on the inside. If you can get PLA to print on a textured print sheet, go for it. I cannot, which is why all of mine have a ghost of a benchy on the top and the bottom. One neat thing about these is that if you want to store them like this, like open up a drawer and look down, then you've got all the serial numbers facing this way. They should really do that for spice jars, or they will sit that way. This is going to help me organize my probe supply. If it helps you, super. I'll put this up on Printables and I'll let you know when I do.